nina besilo nina banga ngezwe lakhe Dumelang, Molweni, Absheni, Reloge, sanibonani. Asiphinde futhi sibingelele. This is Inkosi Prince Caba, umnotho emakhosini host. Ila esenza khona uhlelo lokuthi senza kanjani ukulekelela umnotho ukuthi ubuyele kubantu abantu besebenzisana namakhosi. Let me remind you, mhlambe before siqhubeka kakhulu kuzomela ukuze umphakathi wakithi uqonde ukuthi sasikade sikhulume ngani. Last time sasikhulume ngokuthi umnotho kuzofanele ukuthi amakhosi njengoba sonke sazi kunohlelo la kukhulunywa khona ukuthi wenzeka kanjani ukuthi umnotho usebenzisane ukwazi ukusondela eduze kwamakhosi. Lento sithe is a tripartite. Abantu, amakhosi kanye neingonyama bese kuba ithina ngapha. La sithi khona abantu abakwazi ukube nendlela yokusebenzisana namakhosi and amakhosi esizwe ekwazi ukubuyelwa isithunzi. La sithi khona siyazi siyavumelana ukuthi ziningi inhlelo ezikhona, maningi ama structures and asikubonga ukuthi mningi umsebenzi owenziwa ugovernment wethu waseNingizimu Afrika ukulekelela ngaphansi kweinhlelo zako agriculture, ngaphansi kweinhlelo zako mining and energy, but sibonile ukuthi kuzosilekelela ukuthi nathi sizodlala ingxenye ethize khona la emphakathini kanye nokuthi sithathe lolu hlelo kube yilo olikhombisa abantu bakithi izinto ezenziwa uhulumeni kanye nezinto ezenziwa amakhosi. Asiqale sikuveza ukuthi amakhosi mningi imisebenzi eyenzayo. Kunamakhosi mawuya ngapha koma respect ubheka amakhosi ngeke mhlawumbe ngize ngiwamenshine ngoba sisazowamema ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo kwamanje. Kodwa kunamakhosi anawo ama program amahle eindaweni zawo.
Hola bafethu, this is your boy King Shamase. We are here today kumnotho wamakhosi. This is one of the shows or a program under Take 2 TV. I'm with my team Lana, Sisetan Vista. How many kilometers away?
Glen Vista.
Aibo. Abongazazi izinto. Glen Vista. Kuthatha Glen Vista. Yeah man, silapha manje ngiyabonga mfethu. I'm with my crew, I'm with my team as you guys know. Ngihamba nomtimande siyabonga lapha mfethu ukusiqophela. Hlesi moja so Take 2 TV.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah man. Yeah, I don't know where to start. Umuntu enginaye namhlanje mkhulu kakhulu. Kodwa ke before sifike lapho guys le show njengoba nazi ukuthi i-coordinator noma i-hostwa ubaba uthi Caba undaba ezitha odila nawo le program yawo umnotho wamakhosi uthume mina ke namhlanje ukuthi hayi iyouth akube yona ethukulida izinto sibone ukuthi ngingafika kwapi. Shout out to you umuntu omdala. I think useThekwini njengamanje bese ngakabonani ezonyaka oqala. Yabo kuyagijima kubhekwele nale. But ngithembe ukuthi nizoyithokozela emakhaya kungayena umnikazi we-host. Bafethu njengoba ngishilo ukuthi mina nguKing Shamase kodwa ngihambi ke ngedwa namhlanje. I hope nizoyithokozela ishow noma ingeke izibe yinde kangako. Uthesike umntemande
Glen Vista.
Glen Vista seJoburg, right?
Joburg.
Yeah, isapapho nje vethu la eJozi. I'm with my prince ke lana mfethu. I'm with uPrince but ngizocela ukuyekela yena undaba ezitha kumkani. I introduce ngoba yeah. Welcome to the show mfethu. Thank you so much. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi usivumele ukuthi sihlale kanje. Yeah man, awutshela abantu emakhaya ukuthi
what do you say? Hey, was introduce ngathi
yabona
ngathi yiko interview yespan.
Ngiyageja hla fabe mina umuntu othula yonke lento kodwa ke
igama nesibongo. Igama uNeo. Yeah, isibongo akangale. Ngumntwana mina ke wasemaqwathini.
Okay.
Ngumntwana wasemaqwathini but igama lami la ngempela ke leli la kaNeo ilele liku ID.
Alright.
lele igama lami lamampela uzipho zamaqwathi.
Zipho zamaqwathi.
Izipho zamaqwathi.
Siyabona ke la ngempela uyalizwa ke nawe.
Ozweke.
Yeah.
Umqwathi ke.
Okay.
Dikela ngononi ngotswayiwani ngosigodo setshe. Ngoblose ngoplango. Ngosibo omkhulu.
Inkosi ayiqedwa. Yeah, I will come to the show but wami siyabonga kakhulu ndaba ezitha nokuthi nje sinike platform umngani wami kodwa manje amagama akhe bengakhohle. Isho lo dokotela wena ngiqeda wasisho njalo. Dr. Nqetho. Yeah, by the way guys, we are here with iKasi Thukasi ne we are collaborating as nazi ukuthi si as media coverage yeKasi Thukasi push plan silana ke. So it happened ukuthi ibe wide ne TV kanti nayo ikhona yabona. So siyakwamukela kwi show once again siyabonga mfethu. Ngiyabuzwa uthi umqwathi ne. Correct mangisho kamphezulu. Ngumzulu mina.
Yeah.
And I'm willing to learn yabo. Yes. Other cultures njengoba sabantu abatravelayo umncele ukuthi kwenzakalani kwezinye indawo. So which tribe are you yeah.
Amaqwathi derive from the greater nation Yamaxhosa.
Okay.
So we'll just call it Amaxhosa.
Amaxhosa.
But we are a nation Yamaxesibe. Mase sikhuluma in a broad context. Yes, singamaqwathi but we also Amaxesibe. Amaxesibe are Xhosa speaking people. But ngokwesidala yazi izinto beyihlukile ke fana nabantu bakwaZulu. MaZulu khona bakwaZulu. Khona bo yini omthethwa kanjalo. So namaqwathi ke that's kukanjalo. So we are Xhosa nation speaking people. Yeah man.
As you speak, we explain ngicabanga into eseceleni. There's these guys bebe trend last year and I think this year sisazobona more of their arts. These guys be hip hop, these mhlawumbe ba 20 but by crew njenge Squatter Camp. You remember when Squatter Camp was introduced? Amaqwales. The Qwale boys. Amaqwela what's the Qwale level? Exactly. Yabo. So as ukazi ukuthi namaqwathi and then I'm like okay because angikaze ngicheck kahle background yabo ukuthi what was the idea ukuthi bayibize with the name kodwa I think inayo what you call amakhwesen iwona sebenzisa if
no not really yeah khoisan bukhona bona but not entirely it's a long story though. It's a long story.
Yeah.
Umqwathi. So mina ngizo relate a story the way ngisazi ngakhona from from what I know.
Yes.
And man, anyone can correct us. You know, you can correct. We're here to learn.
Do that, yeah.
But what I know is that umqwathi the nation was formed by utatumkhulu kamkhulu. Yeah, I don't know how many centuries ago, but umchuchumbe.
Okay.
He was umchuchumbe and yena ke bekanenkomo.
Okay.
Bekanenkomo. I could be wrong, but I think beyimhlophe. I could be wrong about the colors. But beyinebala la.
Yeah.
Elbovu. Inkomo yakhona wayithi igama wathi umqwathi. So isizwe then got formed around that. So at large I said to you ngumqesibe. So isikahle singamaxesibe. But lobuqwathi lobu we could say is a nickname-ish of sort.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
that's where it derives from the actual term yokuthi umqwathi umchuchumbe okumkhulu kamkhulu was the one that named le nkomo yakhe umqwathi, and he named it umqwathi on the basis of saying that Leo bull, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, I will check my facts, but Leo bull Leo, he was gifted by the community for the leader that he was.
Leadership,
so that's how, and that's how Isizwe Samaqwathi also branched away from amaXhisibe.
Bangathi siyaphuma siyoyimela naso siba nation
on its own, siba nation. That's why kuthiwa Isizwe Samaqwathi.
Powerful. Okusho ukuthi esayidini lase kwaXhosa ne amaXhosa usuka kusiphi isigodi, if ngibuza right anganoma ngithola kahle usuka kusiphi isigodi, because kuno Transkei kuno
ngiqale ngokutshela ukuthi thina ubukhosi bethu obakudala, but at the same time thina sibamba manje. You know, abogogo nabomkhulu have a way of doing things. If you believe in abogogo nabomkhulu, they have a way of doing things. Into can bypass hundreds of years, different generations, kuma families, and it could land on you. Kuguti into ilahleke in the 1800s, so to speak. Excuse me. So ngokulandelela ngoba thina ubukhosi bethu sisabukhulisa, sisabumolda, sisabgroma for it to be what it's supposed to be, because we can't live as abantu and we say akekho umuntu onormal. I don't believe ukuthi khona umuntu onormal. Wonke umuntu unethonga la kubo. And you can't say then ukuthi look, you can be in your family, you can be the only one blessed. Let me make a simple example. You can be the only one blessed in your family. Uzibuze why? Ijambu babakho, yajambu umkhulu wakho, yajambu umkhulu kamkhulu wakho, and so on and so forth. Kunale thonga lele lakini elifunayo into yalo. That's literally how things have unfolded. You will hear every now and again itori zokuthi yazi ekhaya bekuso, ekhaya kwakune, ekhaya sasiyenza. And then as a youth we don't take it serious. Umuntu suka athi okay kwakune kwamanje asinayo ayikho, we live now, forgetting ukuthi the history has a way of repeating itself. Always. History will always repeat itself, be it today, be it tomorrow, be it 100 years later. It will repeat itself. So you to answer your question at large, what I know is that we are from a Transkei. There are also certain elements of our family also being from a Queenstown. Ngazi ukuthi umhlaba wethu back in the days was from Transkei to Kronstadt. That's what I've been told, that's what I've read as well. So like I said, I could be wrong.
I get you.
You know what I'm saying? I could be wrong. Lento isa khuliswa, isa bruwa njenge. Isa bruwa lento
senga. Ngapha nangapha. No, thanks man. Thank you so much. Nguzwe ubala kuba Kronstadt. Kronstadt is a Free State, if I'm not mistaken.
No. Kokstad.
Kokstad. Yeah, ngisho ukuthi no. Kokstad. Because Singala.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu yabo siyafunda la kahle kahle bifuneka ithibe at large le podcast le or le show yanamhlanje ngaze bangishaya abafethu la sinabafethu esebenzisana nabo mfethu abasilekelelayo ezintweni as iTV grower. We have a sponsorship esisithwalile nje up until today. Unfortunately we don't have it on the table because besimove ngendlela esimove ngayo. Shout out to Angel Factor. It's our first and main sponsorship, energy drink leyo yomuntu omnyama as well. Yazi what we are all about.
Shout out to Black Business. Shout out to Black Business.
Yeah, so nje ukuthi sathi masithi kwangabuza into eyiningi kwathiwa no ayikhali.